Okay, let's unpack this. We're looking at a review today, right? From Said Malik Official.
That's right. All about Baaghi-4, the one that just hit screens in 2025. Big action flick.
Huge anticipation for that one.
Yeah.
So our mission really is to pull out the key takeaways from Said Malik's review for you listening.
Exactly. Give you the essentials on this one. Directed by Ahmed, of course.
And starring Tiger Shroff, Disha Patani, Raja Kapoor, and Noor Fateh's in there too.
Yep, the whole crew.
So diving straight in then, what's the immediate vibe? What's the big picture Said Malik paints?
Well, what's interesting is the review doesn't mess around. It immediately frames Baaghi-4 as basically a complete mass action film.
Okay, mass action. So like for the hardcore fans.
Totally. It's described almost like a purpose-built gift for Tiger Shroff fans. You know, people who love the explosions, the big fights, the pure heroism stuff.
Right. Sets the expectation loud and clear.
Definitely does.
So that's the promise, high octane. But what about the story holding it all together? It's about Ronnie, Tucker's character, yeah.
He's up against this international mafia. Human trafficking, black market dealings, pretty serious stuff. And he's also got his own personal life drama happening.
Okay, so there's a plot there, but I guess the big question is, how well does that story stuff actually mesh with all the action the review is promising? Does it, work together?
Oh, well, according to Said Malik, maybe not so much. It sounds like the action is really the main event here.
Right, the focus.
Yeah. The review raves about the tremendous action and stunts from Tiger Shroff. His signature moves probably pushed even further.
Makes sense. That's the brand.
Exactly. And visually, fantastic, impressive locations, apparently really cinematic, and a thrilling background score that just keeps things pumping.
Okay, it sounds like the production values are there.
Oh, yeah. And they even single out Noor Fateh's item song, I Guitara, says it's super popular.
Huh, okay.
But here's the flip side. Here's where it gets really interesting, connecting back to your question about a story.
But I was waiting for it.
Right. While the action dazzles, the review critiques the story itself as, well, weak, lacking emotional depth.
Oof. Predictable twists, too, it says here.
Yeah, predictable twists. So it seems the narrative maybe doesn't quite live up to the spectacle.
So it's like a deliberate trade-off then. Spectacle over substance. Does the review feel like that works, or does it leave you wanting more?
It definitely suggests something is missing, at least for some viewers. Ahmed, the director, he kept the pace super fast, packed with action.
Which is good for an action film, right?
Generally, yeah. But the review notes some scenes felt unnecessarily long, kind of dragged things down a bit, apparently, impacted the flow.
Oh, okay. That can happen. Pulls you out of it.
Exactly. It highlights that classic action movie challenge, doesn't it? Keeping the adrenaline high without, losing the plot or the emotional connection.
Oh, so what about the performances? Did they help bridge that gap at all? Raja Kapoor as the villain.
The review actually praises Raja Kapoor, calls his performance excellent, says he brought some real gravitas.
Okay, that's good. And Disha Patani.
Did well in her emotional scenes, according to the review. But despite those individual strong points,
the overall feeling is still lacking.
Yeah. The overarching emotional dimension is considered kind of weak. Like the film itself struggles to connect on that deeper level, maybe.
Right.